Someone is going to call you this weekend and ask one question. How much do you charge? And if you don't know the answer, you won't lose the customer. You'll lose money. Because the wrong price doesn't just cost one job. It can quietly drain your business. I know this because it happened to us at Maryland Spotless, and it almost cost us the business. Today, I'm going to show you the exact pricing framework we use in our cleaning business. When we started Maryland Spotless Maid Service, we did exactly what everyone tells you to do. We researched our competitors, we copied the market, we built our pricing page. We thought we had everything figured out. For a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, we charged around $110. The cleaner earned about $66. Customers booked. Everything looked great until we sat down with our numbers. That's when we realized something. We weren't making money. We were buying ourselves a job. The scary part wasn't losing money. The scary part was we didn't even know we were losing money. That's what happens when you price based on competitors instead of your business. So we changed everything. Instead of asking, what are competitors charging? We started asking, what does our business need to charge? Today, our minimum visit starts at $195. Additional hours are $85. Deep cleans begin with a $55 add-on. Every single price has a purpose. Nothing is random. Here's our framework. Customer pays $195. Cleaner earns half. Our business keeps half. From that amount, we pay software, insurance, payment processing, marketing, taxes, and everything else to run the business. If there's no profit left, your price is wrong. People ask me, what if they say no? Here's the truth. Some will, and that's okay. Cheap clients rarely become loyal clients. And clients who choose you for price, leave you for price. The clients you want aren't looking for the cheapest cleaner. They're looking for someone they can trust. That's who becomes reoccurring. That's who refers friends. That's how you build a business instead of chasing jobs. Here's one thing you can use today. When someone asks, how much do you charge? Don't answer immediately. Instead ask, can I ask a couple quick questions about your home? Now you're controlling the conversation instead of guessing. The goal isn't to memorize prices. The goal is to understand why your prices exist. When you believe your pricing, your customers will too. If you're wondering whether your pricing is holding your business back, take my free 60-second quiz. You'll discover exactly where your pricing is holding you back and what to fix first. If you're ready for the complete pricing system, including phone scripts, pricing templates, add-on pricing, and more, grab the Owner First Cleaning Business Launch Kit. The links are below. And remember, don't guess. Build a business that's profitable from day one.